Okay, today I'm going to show you how to download a video from YouTube. Okay, so here I am. I'm going to download this video so I can edit it. So what I need to do, I've chosen my video. I'm going to click on share and then copy. Now it's copied to my clipboard, so I can get rid of this now. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to go YouTube DL. I'm just going to go Control V. I've already downloaded. Okay, so let's skip that. So this. Okay, so I've downloaded my video and I've renamed it to Dumber because the videos, when the videos is downloaded with YouTube DL, it tend to be a long link. So I just went to File Explorer, renamed it. And now it's called dumber.mkv. So I'm going to convert it to MP4. So I'm going to go dumber KV to dumber MP4. Let's wait till it loads here. It's going. That's done. So see, I got two files now. One's dumber MKV, one's dumber MP4. Now I can insert it into my video editor of choice. So today I was gonna do something funny for my friend, and I thought I'll download a video from YouTube, and then I was gonna edit it, then send it to him. But I realized when I downloaded it with YouTube DL, it was in WebM format, which my video editor doesn't accept. So I need to convert this video from WebM. It is WebM, so that's Google's proprietary format. So okay, let's see. Let's this again. So I've already got an ffmpeg installed, so I'm gonna just convert the file. I renamed the file chances WebM, and I want to convert it to chances MP4 so I can edit it. Oh, didn't work. So maybe I did the wrong. Oh, it's chance. See, I did the file name wrong. So let's just redo that. You press your up arrow. I'm in Windows 10. You can press your up arrow if you make a mistake. Delete the S. Press enter. Now it's going. Now this won't take very long. It's a very short video. Here we go. So now I should have two files. So I got chance and chances. See, I stuck with chances. It was in my head. So here we are, and now I'll be able to load it into my video editor of choice. Some video editors don't accept WebM for some reason. I know I was working with Premiere Pro before, and you have to install some things to make it work, but other than monkeying around with your video editor of choice, I like to use HitFilm for my stuff because HitFilm is very good for my use, and it doesn't accept WebM, so I convert to MP4 and it works like a charm. So that's it. Thanks for watching.